What? No. No, 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 not again. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. This freaking camera. You know what? I will throw you away.
What are you doing?
She's insane, she just wants to throw her Fairphone away.
What? Why would you do that?
What is wrong with you guys?
Don't you know that there is also gold in your phone and not only in your jewelry? And additionally, it's a Fairphone, so you can easily recycle everything or just replace it. I can show you something so you can understand it a bit better. I always have it with me so I can show it to people. This is a map where you can see how many minerals are inside your phone. There are all in all 53 minerals inside your phone. For example, aluminium and iron have a big percentage weight. Gold indeed doesn't have a big one, but it has the biggest value inside your phone.
I can only show you something, the thing where gold actually comes from. Here, this is a rock, it contains a lot of gold.
How on earth will that rock fit into my phone?
If you really want to know that, we can actually show you.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Voigt from the Kittilä mine, which is located 900 km north from Helsinki, and I'm here today to tell you some information about our mine. When it comes to the geology, we have a mafic volcanic and sedimentary rock, which is hosted in our greenstone belt, and it's very interesting that this greenstone belt is also in Canada, in our mine in Quebec. Our deposit is in depth from 100 to 200 meter in structural zone, and the ore zone is about 16 cubic kilometers big. Actually, we stopped the mining in our open pit mines and started an underground pit mining operation, and last year we produced over 200,000 ounces of gold. It seems like a big number for you, and indeed it's a big number for European scale, but if you check the numbers of mining in China, Russia, in the US, it's kinda small scale for the world. When it comes to the processing, which is really interesting, then we first crush the material to a size of 5.5 millimeters. Afterwards, we have two different separation ways. One is the flotation, where we separate the gold from gangue minerals, and the second one is the autoclave with high pressure, where we separate the gold from sulfide material. In the last step, we just leach the material with carbon, and later on we smelt the material, the gold, to the gold dust that all of you probably know.
So from this piece of rock, actually only 0.024 grams of gold is produced. This is used for circuit boards or contacts in your phone, and if you take 42 phones together, you actually got as much as 1 ton of gold containing rock contains of gold itself.
Hey, really nice to know that information, but my phone is broken. I cannot use it anymore, so I just throw it away.
What do you want from me?
I think I can help you with that issue. I always have a second sheet with me. Maybe you can hold it for me so I can explain it to you. You can see that the ore grade of our gold deposits decreases in the last years very fastly, and that the production goes up very fast to just hit the high demand of gold in our economy. So recycling is really important.
And actually I can show you a video about it.
Hello everybody, my name is Janina van Abel from Fairphone Company. When we are talking about recycling, there are quite some materials from phones recycled actually, but exact numbers are difficult to find. For the Fairphone we know that 30 to 40% of the total materials are recycled, and the recycling rate from gold is even 90 to 100%. There are 3 possibilities to reclaim the materials out of phones. The first possibility is the total melting. Therefore, the whole phone goes into a high temperature furnace, and afterwards the metals, alloys and inorganic compounds are recovered. The second method is selective melting. Here the Fairphone models are separated and go through the most suitable recovery process. The third method is shredding and sorting. Therefore, first the battery is removed and the rest of the phone goes through a cutting mill. The highest recovery can be obtained by using the second method. but therefore the phone has to be modular, which is the case with Fairphone.
So as you can see in the video, the recycling can be an alternative for the primary mining of gold or other minerals, and you can easily replace modules inside your phone with new ones, especially in your Fairphone, because you can just get everything out of it. For example, I have a camera with me.
Oh, nice.
I can just put it inside in my phone,
That would be great.
and then you can use it again, I think.
Let's see.
Just give it a try.
Oh my god, yes! It's
said it
working
too.
again! Let's do a selfie
You can do that.
and put it on Instagram. Let's go!